Welcome back. This is video 3 of 3 in our series on the benefits of utilizing your online account in your association. The things that we want to cover in this video are first, the requests feature. This is kind of a cool feature for you as an owner because you can come in and see what kind of requests you have opened up and which ones have been completed. But this can be anything from, hey, I saw the drinking fountain was broken and it needs to be fixed. So you can create a request for that. There's a light pole that's broken sprinkler. You can also create requests to have an ACC committee review maybe you're building a shed or you're building an addition to your house and you need to get approval. So the way that you would do that is come over here to the menu, click on requests, and it'll take you to this page. Click on a new request. Fill out what type of request it is. If it's an ARC, architectural request, like I mentioned, if you're building something. If it's a general request, like a sprinkler that's broken, you just would select that here. Let's just go over real quick how to do an architectural request. So if you click this and enable that type of request, what it does is it opens up a form that's been created by the manager of the HOA. So this form enables you to basically fill out everything you would need to fill out for approval on your architectural request. So this would obviously be created by the manager of the HOA. So it allows you to fill out the form, upload files, maybe you have pictures or a plot plan or survey that you want to upload right there. And you go through this process and fill out all the information on this form. And then once you complete the form, a message will be sent to the manager of the HOA or to the committee that's over architectural approvals. And they'll see your request and they'll work on that request. And if they have any questions for you, they'll respond to you and you can communicate back and forth on that particular request. So kind of a cool feature there. That way you don't have to fill out a ton of paperwork and print and scan and email. You just do it all through your online account. So the next thing I want to go over is surveys and voting. This is a cool feature because it brings the community together and allows all the HOA members to vote on particular things. And it also allows them to put in their input on particular topics. So for example, right here in this online account that I'm on, maybe the board wanted to see how the members of the HOA felt about putting speed bumps in the community. So they would create the survey. The manager of the HOA would create the survey on their end and then send out the survey to the owners. And you can actually fill out that survey through your online account. So right here, it looks like this survey has been completed. You can see your response and how you voted, and you said no, you did not want speed bumps in the community. So the other thing is voting, and it's kind of treated in the same topic here, but there's an actual official vote that can take place through your online account. And anything you want to officially vote on as an HOA can be utilized and executed through this online account. So that's a nice little feature as well. The last thing I want to cover is violations. If you are doing something in your community that you're not supposed to, per the CC&R rules and regulations, you'll get notified through your online account, and you'll be able to view those particular violations here by going to violations. Now, this one shows me that I actually have a violation. So if I go, I can also see that on my account here. You have one new violation. If I click here to view it, it'll pull that violation up for me right here, that I left some trash cans on the street. So here's some information about that particular violation. And that concludes our video on how to utilize your online account.